Finding inspiration is crucial at the beginning of any project. Our go-tos for inspiration are Pinterest, Instagram, and the TileCloud website. When searching on Pinterest, use broad search terms like kitchen or bathroom. You'll soon find yourself drawn to a particular look. Narrow your search terms down to see more of what you want. Don't forget to save all the images you like. There's nothing worse than losing that perfect pic. On Instagram, follow like-minded designers, renovators, and bloggers. We love people like GeoRenovations, Dot and Pop, and the Design Files. Use hashtags to search on Instagram to find what you're looking for. And don't forget to follow TileCloud for daily inspiration and new products. The TileCloud team sends out a weekly newsletter with inspiration and new products. Sign up on our homepage to keep in the loop for tiling tips and renovation ideas. Happy tiling!